Hello everybody. You can see I got the motor and transmission mounted in here finally. She is in where she's going to be. I got the cross member in there, and I got video coming out on that here just soon as I can load it up. In fact, I went in to get my video going, you know, and put it through and start editing it and everything, and I just so happened to go over and check the YouTube, and when I came up, first thing that popped up was Uncle Tony. His video was titled "The Last Trip to Jim Bennett's Garage." R.I.P. Jim. Now what the hell? So I clicked on it and I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. This last Sunday, we lost somebody in our community, this YouTube community, and the hot rod community in general. Jim Bennett passed away. I could tell from all of his videos and watching him. Not only did he know what he was doing in car world, but he was a heck of a good guy. I could tell that from just watching his videos. And when he took that guy in who was traveling down to Texas and let him rebuild his truck right there in his shop, and he jumped right in and helped him. Jim was a good guy. Jim was a heck of a good guy. I don't know. I didn't think something like this could hit you personal. I'm clear out here in Idaho. I have never spoke to Jim, just in comments, typing on his screen and everything. But this hurts. This really hurts. I got in my hand, that's the emblem off my '66 Mustang that I had briefly. Little fastback. I'm holding it here because, you know, that one that he was doing in there for a customer. And I remember all the things we went through with this car. We turned it into a gasser and used to run it down the track. I had a 429 in it, tunnel ram, and the car did pretty good. But that 429 had so much torque it dang near twisted that car in half. I learned a lot with my dad building this car. It wasn't my car at the time. It was a friend of ours who always come by the shop. And that's what Jim did for people. He was just a guy who lived down the street who wanted to turn his daily driver into a hot rod. And that's probably 1980, 1981, right around then. And Dad opened up the shop for him, and they built that car in there. Just like Jim helped that guy going to Dallas. So Jim, all the crew at Bennett's Hot Rod Garage, I just want you to know that even way out here in Idaho, somebody that we never even spoke to you, I'm thinking about you. And all my prayers and all my thoughts are out with not only you up there, but all your crew and all your family. We'll see you. Maybe not at the No Name Nationals, but we'll see you again. And I want to thank you all, for everybody at Bennett's Garage, for helping me, because I know that that's the kind of guy you were. Thank you, Jim. And all of you out there.